Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I don't know about you, but I feel like my schedule is crazy busy. In order for me to keep everything straight in my brain, I need lots of visual reminders. To help me do that, I use these tacky wet erase markers. I have a magnetic calendar that sits on our fridge, and that's where my life is. I love these markers because they are wet erase, so it keeps the marker on the calendar. I tried dry erase before, that was a disaster because every time my kids would touch the calendar, there went my schedule. These stay put unless you go and get something physically wet, it won't come off. There's 6 different colors total. This also helps me from an organizational aspect. I will write my son's appointments in red, my appointments in green, family events in blue, so I automatically know just by looking at a glance who the appointment's for. And these have a fairly fine tip, which I also appreciate because my calendar is small. This ensures that I'm able to fit everything I need into each little calendar square. So if you're old school like me and you need to make physical lists or write on calendars, you should check out these wet erase markers. Hopefully they'll help you stay organized too. And that's my point of view.